How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the 8BitDo controller driver error on Windows. Now, when you encounter this problem right here, you want to simply search for 8BitDo drivers, head over to the official web page, and in here, you simply want to look for your controller. So in my case, it's going to be this one, the Ultimate 2 wireless controller, or I believe it's going to be the Ultimate 2C wireless controller. Simply click on it and you will be able to actually get the drivers itself. So from there, you just want to extract the file that we have downloaded, and I'm just going to show it to you real quick on how you can go ahead and easily do this. So let's just simply extract it for a couple of seconds. It will then open up. It will have all of our data, and you actually want to open up the software for your controller. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And at the same time, you also want to make sure that you connect your controller onto your computer. So you want to do this on a wired connection, not on a wireless connection. So in my case, it's going to look something like this. Make sure that everything is stable so we could update our drivers seamlessly. Just click on firmware, click on the update button, and simply from there, you're good to go. You will be able to fix such problems. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.